Yeah!
3, 2, 1, fight off.
What's up, everybody? Exciting vlog today, kind of impromptu. We're starting what's going to end up probably being a helicopter week. Last night I got a call from Brandon. You remember him from the helicopter vlog where I flew with the Harrison County Sheriff's Office, and also the arresting officer when Gonky committed battery in front of him. But I'm going back out to the Harrison County Sheriff's Office. They actually, an agency from Connecticut contacted them and wanted all their information on how they set up their air wing and use that as a template to create their own. And they're down in Gulfport right now flying with them, so they invited me out. Really exciting stuff. Taking the vet. It's a beautiful day. Probably going to end up raining, but I don't think the car is going to melt. So good chance to try out the new cameras and all that stuff. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Well, Tom, it's a beautiful helicopter.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. Great day to fly, and can't wait to have you up work on putting something together for the Milford Police Department up in Connecticut.
Yeah, it's beautiful. All new, shiny, very nice. Can't wait to go up there.
The greatest thing about the program is, you know, it's all through volunteers and donations.
Yep.
Everybody that does it because they believe in the mission. And it's amazing to have, you know, a supportive chief of police and the volunteers to provide an amazing program to the community.
So no tax dollars.
There's no tax dollars. Everything is done through donations. It's one of probably the rarest programs in the country when you talk about a military 1033 program with equipment that's on loan to a police department and having a nonprofit fund it, so there's no implication or tax burden to the residents. And we support not only the town, but we'll go regionally, geographically, and also the unit deployed down to Katrina as well.
No kidding. Wow.
So,
what's your website?
It's eagle1.org. You can just do a search on
I'll put that in the description. Yeah. And then especially when we go up there, we'll get a lot of information.
And like I said, right now you have the foundation, which is the Eagle One Foundation, the Nelson D. Anacona Foundation, and you have two partnering police departments, New Milford Police Department and Stratford Police Department. Those are the two entities that support us.
Awesome. Well, looking forward to it. And you've got a Huey.
We have a Bell UH Huey one that's amazing as well, called Eagle One. This is Eagle 2.
Yeah, Eagle 2.
And then we're actually getting another aircraft, Eagle 3, in another 6 months. That's going to be just like this for a sister ship.
Wow. Also for Milford or a different city?
Different city.
Yeah, wow. Awesome. Well, looking forward to it.
Great. Can't wait.
Gulfport transformation, Papa, 1653 Zulu, wind 1803, visibility 10. Ceiling 4,600 broken, temperature 31, dew point 18, altimeter 3003. Visual approach and use, landing and departing runway 14, runway 18. Simultaneous approaches are being conducted. Notice airman, Northwest Block 14 out of service. Hazardous weather information for Gulfport area available, flight service frequencies. VFR departures, advise ground control, type aircraft destination, cruising altitude. Advise on initial contact, yes, Papa.
Gulfport Tower, Talon 2-1 on a 5-mile final for the ILS.
Talon 2 and Gulfport Tower, new 14 cleared for the option, wind 1607.
Clear for the option, Talon 2-1.
I'm up on comm, 112345.
Okay, I got you. We're all ready. Let me know when you're ready to go. You can. I'll stay on flat pitch because you're going to go back, correct?
Yeah, I'm ready for that. I was just going to make sure you're ready. We're going to pick up now and get back behind you. I'll let you know.
I'm ready 100%.
Yeah, that's a good spot. Alright, we're in position.
Okay, I'm giving tower a call. Monitor on tower, okay?
Roger.
You guys ready?
Ready. You want me to stand off on the right side of them?
Yeah, I was just going to get a profile view of the thing because just based on the angle I'm at, but that's fine. This is good. As long as you can keep this angle, that's really good.
So we're going to go westbound, we're going to stagger left side first, then eastbound, stagger right side.
Okay, sounds good. I'll try to get some pictures too.
Okay.
So in this helicopter, are you keeping the RPM pretty much stable?
It's governed, so as you pull pitch, it automatically adds fuel.
Nice.
All helicopters are that way.
Well, like in the Huey, you just turn the throttle all the way up.
That's what I do. Yep.
And that's it. You never touch it really again.
That's right. So you get ready to shut down our, God forbid, our rotation.
That's really good. That's a really good shot. That's about as far to the right as you'd want him to go to stay in focus there, so that's really good. All right, guys, starting to make a slow right turn down the coast. You okay still?
Yeah, we're good.
How's the speed for you? Good?
Perfect. I'm going to swing out just a little bit, maybe get a little better profile.
Yeah, that's right at the edge, so that's about as far as you'd want to go. When we come back the other way, we'll have a lot more freedom to get line abreast.
Yeah.
Such a good looking helicopter.
That thing is beautiful.
I feel like I should have tethered all this stuff in my hands because
Nah, as long as you don't stick it out, you know, and let it blow out, it's not gonna, you won't lose it. Even if you drop it, it'll stay in.
Hey, we're recording on the FLIR. You guys look great from behind us.
Wait. Might get you a little out of trim, so you may feel the wind, so you can get a little better shot.
Yeah, this is really good. Really good. Let me know if you guys want to swing on to my right side now if you want. It's up to you.
Yeah, we can. You're just going to have water in the background, but we'll swap over now. Coming straight behind you now.
Okay, thanks. I'll keep going straight here.
We're on your right side now.
Okay, you can push it up to line abreast maybe and...
I'm going to come up line abreast on your right side.
No problem, gotcha.
Oh, that's it right there.
All right, let me know when you guys are ready to swing back to my left side, and I'll do a very gentle right turn, 180 back around the coast, but I'll wait till you're in position on my left side.
All right, we're falling back in formation. Right high.
Let me know when you guys are back to my left.
All right, we're good to switch over there now, according to the man. Coming back left.
Roger that. When you're in position, let me know. I'll start a very slow right gentle turn.
All right, we're in position. Go ahead.
Here we go. Right turn coming at you.
Right turn.
Gulfport's such a beautiful town.
It's all right, yeah. It's just a...
down the beach eastbound. I'll drop it down a little bit lower on the beach, okay?
Roger. Yeah, it's a cool little town. It's a big small town, you know.
We're gonna get some video of the man himself. That's you.
Oh. Yeah.
So in case anybody's wondering, we're actually trying to get some photos and videos of the what's their township called?
New Milford, Connecticut.
Yeah, New Milford, Connecticut. They got a new helicopter, new paint job. They're ready to bring it back home, and we're just they did some training, and we're just going to get some footage for them and have a good time. Get pretty much all the good shots.
Yeah, it's looking great. We're going to get back on the right side on this little short segment right here.
Okay, thanks. Switch to the right, and then I'll slowly make our way back into the airport. How's that sound?
That sounds good. You want us to stay on the right side as you turn in?
Yeah, stay on the right side the whole time, and I'll make it real gentle turns, okay? And then you can go loose trail.
All right, Roger. We're in position on the right side.
Tiny screen, I can't tell if I've got him or not. Can you push up line abreast to get some more backdrop in it?
Yeah. Also push up a little bit line abreast here, just briefly, if that's all right.
Yeah, no problem. I'll maintain nice and smooth. I'm going to give tower a call here, entering for right down 114, okay?
There you go.
Yeah, if you can get a little bit forward, that would probably be a good shot. That's beautiful. Looks good to me. It's just nice and relaxing.
Smooth, man.
Very smooth. Who wouldn't think a helicopter would be this smooth?
This helicopter flies like butter. I've never flown a helicopter flies as smooth as this one is.
3 T-45s and a T-6. And a helicopter. They're a Millionaire.
Yep, that's the rescue helicopter.
Oh, nice. Very nice. This is the start of my Michael Bay cinematic career right here.
Yeah.
Nice. You guys are clear to come in. I want to maintain 100% flat pitch.
All right, here we go.
Nice, and it was on video.
Cool. Alright, flatfish here.
You got it, buddy. Awesome, thanks for letting me ride.
Yeah, man. Glad you could make it.
So that was awesome. So the story behind that helicopter is after my video with Brandon, when we did the behind the scenes at the Harrison County Sheriff's Department, he contacted Brandon because he liked the avionics, he liked what Brandon had done with his air wing, and Tom has a nonprofit foundation that uses donations to create air wings for certain municipalities, and they were standing up a brand new one, and he said, if you were to do this all over again, how would you do it? And so they got together, he gave them all the specs, he even upgraded based on that, and this is today. He was flying through Gulfport on his way home because he just picked up, there's Brandon right there. Oh, it'd be cool, it's the police. So Brandon gave them all the specs. They went down to a company in Lafayette in central Louisiana and got everything done, got a brand new paint job which looks beautiful, and so they did that. He came down to pick it up, and now he's on his way back to Connecticut with it, so they can stand up their new air wing, which is awesome. It's a very large area that they have to cover, so it's a good increase in capability for that area to now have a helicopter, which, as he talked about, use no taxpayer dollars. It's all donations and nonprofit, which is amazing. So the other cool thing too is he invited me up there, and I'm going to try to find some time to go up to Connecticut and take a look. They've got 3 helicopters at various places. We're going to go try to fly. It'll be a lot of fun, so I really enjoyed it. And what today was, he invited me out. He just wanted to meet me because of the video, and we kind of talked about they were doing some training, so we decided to get some good air-to-air shots. So they briefed up the formation, and you know, me with my GoPros, it's not really anything all that professional, but we got some shots for that quick 20-minute flight, and so that was cool. And as always, I'm never going to turn down an opportunity to fly anything. It's awesome, so much fun. So had a great time, really appreciate it. Once again, thank you to Brandon and the Harrison County Sheriff's Department for letting me tag along. It was a great time, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll put the link in the description to his nonprofit, and you can check it out, take a look, donate if you'd like. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Excuse me, no. Oh!
About a lot of that.
Usually fly with the doors off. All Fox speed. Don't be a douche. That's rule number 1.
Make them tell you no.